Welcome back to Arcos Storage. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of self-storage and beyond. Today, we're talking about core values. This template is less about telling and more about showing. For big impact, be sure to make use of our free stock photo and video library, or feel free to upload your own footage. It's not just about stashing away your stuff, it's about unlocking the potential of these spaces in ways you might not have imagined. More and more entrepreneurs are turning to self-storage units as their affordable storage area. Let your script do the voiceover and the talking. A place where dreams are born and stock are kept secure. Pedal power, anyone? Cyclists have transformed self-storage into a vibrant hub for bike enthusiasts. When writing your voiceover script, try to use 4 sentences maximum per frame. This will keep your viewers engaged by not making them watch something for too long. It's not just about securing their wheels, it's about creating a centralized space for their passion. Event organizers are making smart moves by using self-storage as their go-to depot for equipment and decor. Keep your script concise and let your background images or video illustrate what your words are saying. Imagine a space where streamlining setup and breakdown is as easy as a flick of a switch. That's the power of unconventional thinking. If you're thinking about embracing the versatility of self-storage, consider Arcos self-storage. Clean, safe, and secure, Arcos Storage offers the canvas for your ideas to flourish. Ready to redefine your space? Visit www.arcostorage.com today for a world of possibilities. Because your stuff deserves a home that goes beyond storage.